Hi everyone, for today's video, we will be making vegan longanisa. It is a famous Filipino pork sausage originating from Vegan City, Ilocos Sur. It is savory, garlicky, and sour rather than sweet. Come along and let's make it together. We will be using a pound of ground beef. You can also use pork, ground pork, or ground chicken, guys. 1/3 cup of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1½ tablespoon of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. You can use white vinegar, guys, or cane vinegar. 1 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1½ tablespoon of cornstarch. So a while ago, I added brown sugar just to balance, guys, the apple cider vinegar. I'll just wash my hands. We will mix it. Dapat halong-halo talaga siya. And before I forget, guys, the ground bay leaf. Just to add aroma sa ating longganisa, vegan longganisa. Muntik ko nang makalimutan ng bay leaf. You can also add atsuete powder for the color. Pero since meron na akong smoked paprika na nilagay, I think that's enough na. Garlicky. Ang sarap ng pagka-garlic niya. Yung amoy. After mixing it all together, we will start to wrap the longganisa. So for the measurement, I'm just using 1 tablespoon. Ayan, tapos na tayo, guys, sa pagbabalot, and we've made 16 pieces. Ilalagay ko siya sa Ziploc. And I will store it in the fridge. Hi everyone, good morning. So today, ready na tayong lutuin ang ating vegan longganisa, yung ginawa natin last night. Ayan, I'm excited. Lagyan lang natin ng konting oil. Ayan, gapatak lang kasi yung longganisa is oil naman siya. Ayan, so luto na ang ating vegan longganisa. Kunin na natin, guys. Ayan, so titikman na natin yung vegan longganisa na ginawa natin. May bawang, bawang na bawang. Naglalaban yung asim at tamis at alat. Saktong-sakto lang, guys. Masarap pala pag apple cider yung nilagay. Nakaka-unli rice. Yun lang po for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye for now!